Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a stop-motion effect using CapCut. It's a great way to give your videos a fun, choppy style, and it's super easy to do. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to use. Then drag it onto your timeline. With the video clip selected, click on the Effects menu at the top of the screen. Now, from the Effects menu, click on Video Effects to expand it. You'll see a lot of options, but we're looking for the lens category, which is right here. In the lens section, there's an effect called FPS Lag. This effect will give us that stop-motion look by lowering the frame rate of your video. After selecting the FPS Lag effect, click on the plus button to apply it to your clip. You can adjust the duration to cover the entire part of your video where you want the effect to appear. To do this, just drag the effect bar to match your video's length. Next, head over to the Settings panel. You'll see an adjustment slider for speed. Set the speed somewhere between 60 and 100, depending on how choppy you want your stop motion to look. The higher the number, the more defined the stop motion effect will be. Once you're happy with the adjustments, preview the result by playing the video. And that's it. You've created a stop-motion style effect using CapCut. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.